Hello, we'll be making pasta today. So first of all, you boil your pasta separately. Cook it until it's soft to you. Then in another pan, add your cooking oil. Let it heat up and then add your sliced onions with a little spread of curry powder. Fry this for a bit, for a minute or two. Add your tomato, either fresh or the paste. Then fry this as well until it's no more sour. Then add your seasonings. You can have assorted seasonings, just add as much as you want. Now you can add your fresh meat or your dry fish. Then add a little water and stir this. Let it cook for a minute or two. Then you add your cooked pasta. Very easy. Stir this properly until it's properly mixed. Taste it, add some salt or more seasoning to your taste. Voila! Your pasta is ready. Serve this with your fish, your egg, or your meat. Thank you. Bye.